Hey guys, and in this video we're gonna take a look at the magnetic swivel clip, which is an official GoPro accessory for any GoPro that you have. So with this accessory you can clip it to your backpack strap or your gear, and if you use the magnet that's at the bottom of it, you can stick it to any metal surface or object. This is what we have in the package. This is a magnetic swivel clip, one buckle mount and one thumb screw. Alright, so let's take a closer look at our magnetic swivel clip. As you guys see at the top of it, we have this swivel, and this part can actually rotate in 360 degrees, whether we rotate it to the left or whether we rotate it to the right, or we can do a full 360 degrees circle. Thanks to that, we can actually take a better shot. And now if we take a look at the bottom of this accessory, there is this magnetic surface, so you can basically stick it to any metal object or metal surface. I still have to test it out how strong this magnet really is, because I just played with it for a couple of days. So as you guys see, the whole profile is very compact. You can easily fit it in your pocket or in your camera bag because it doesn't take that much space. Even if you rotate it, it doesn't take much space in your bag. Okay guys, so let's take a closer look at it. If we open it, we're gonna see that there are some teeth inside of the clip, and the whole idea is that you basically clip it to your, for example, backpack strap, or maybe your clothes, or basically anything that you really want. And thanks to those teeth, it shouldn't let go that easily. And this actually requires a little bit of force to open it up, and it's not that easy, so you have to use some force to do it. Okay guys, so let me show you how we can basically use this thing. So we're gonna use our buckle mount and mount it on this swivel. Oh, and one more thing guys, thanks to this quick release buckle mount, you can easily detach or attach your GoPro without having to screw it in or unscrew your camera. So now let's put our GoPro Hero 8 Black. But as I said, this accessory is compatible with any GoPro cameras that you have, whether it's a Hero Session or Hero 5, 6, etc. So this is basically how it looks like. As you guys see, we can basically clip it to some clothes, some backpacks, or basically anything. It's up to your imagination where you want to clip it. Now, honestly, the reason I got this mount is to be able to mount it actually on a light mode, because this way it's gonna help me do those review videos, because I needed that extra bit of light, and I needed it to be small and to be able to put it in a places where I simply can put some small things. So basically I can attach light mode to this thing and put it, for example, on my clothes or on my tripod and give that extra bit of light. So this accessory can be easily used by vloggers, if you have a YouTube channel, or if you simply want to have that extra bit of light for your videos. Now you're probably wondering whether it's better for you to get a magnetic swivel clip or the jaws, and it really depends what you're gonna use it for. All I can tell you guys is that the jaws can be mounted around much bigger object than the clip itself, because as you guys see, there is a huge difference between the two mounts. So what's cool about the magnetic clip is that you can quickly go to a point of view shot. For example, if you don't have a chesty, so you can focus on what you are doing with your hands if the situation requires it. And if you don't want it, you can quickly go to a selfie shot and record your experience without losing that moment. So yeah, this is basically how magnetic swivel clip looks like. This accessory cost me around $24, but you can get it for like half of the price with GoPro Plus subscription, which is gonna be around $12. I think that there are a lot of unique angles that you can get with this accessory. I think that your imagination is the limit, and as long as you are creative and you clip it or stick it to some surface, you can get great and unique perspectives. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.